Hi everybody, it is time to get your fright on. And if you know me, I love to create the coolest designs for every holiday. And of course, Halloween's no exception. I made these adorable cookies right here. I also made this cool graveyard explosion cake. So when you cut into it, all these really cool things like eyeballs and fingers come out. And of course you can eat them. So what's better than that? Here's how you make it. You want to start out with 2 round chocolate cakes, and then you just kind of chop around the sides or saw off around the sides so it's all smooth. And you'll see why in just a minute. Next up, use one of your cakes and use a round cookie cutter and then cut out the middle. You're going to do the exact same thing to the top. So you have 2 cakes that look exactly the same. Then we're going to take our chocolate cream cheese frosting, and I will put a link to that in the description below. Smooth that out and place on your top layer right there. So you can go around the edges right now with some extra chocolate cream cheese frosting. And then start adding your Kit Kats, and that will make the fence. You can do that all the way around. Doesn't that look so good? Once that's done, take more of your chocolate frosting and just kind of finish off on the insides, just like that. And smooth it out so it doesn't fall apart. And even it out like that. Now, once that's done, you're going to add your little sprinkles inside. See the eyeballs? And add those as well. Some more sprinkles, and then you can add other edible body parts like these fingers right here. Stick some eyeballs, some fingers, other things, some candy corn, and take the part that you cut out and then plug that back in and finish it off with more chocolate frosting. Now we're going to take some Oreo cookies and crush them up in a baggie and sprinkle those all the way around. Finish it off with skulls and little edible fingers. Took some bat lights that blink on and off for extra decoration, and some tombstones, just plug those in like that. And they're going to do some jimmies for a little extra added effect. Some edible little hands. And gummy worms. Now I've got some bones. So it looks like our skeleton came out of the grave. Now you take a bow and you can finish it off all the way around on the edge. And then when you cut into it, out comes all the cool stuff inside. Isn't that super cool? And if you want to make these super cute cookies also, I'm going to put a link to those in the description below. Of course, we'd love you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this with all of your friends. We'll see you next time. Happy Halloween.